Isn't this what everybody wants? A way to make money with no cost. But remember, there is always some sort of cost for anything. Usually it involves cash, time and effort. What we've done is our best to minimize all three, and we can totally eliminate cash, leaving you with just time and effort. Does having cash increase your chances of success? Definitely not, but it can speed up a successful person. It can offer the opportunity to invest, and it may help you make more money and make it faster. But our programs are selected to guarantee that you make money without ever needing to put your hand in your pocket, and build you a large residual income at the same time. We even provide you with a free autoresponder to help you communicate with your prospects and clients. How much time do you need to spend working this business? Well, it's really your choice, but you can get set up with everything in under an hour and then make money without ever doing anything else. But you'll make more and make it faster if you're active in promoting. Just an hour a day can make a massive difference to your income. So let me ask you one simple question. If you saw a $20 bill lying in the gutter, would you take the time to pick it up? If you answered no, then what we have is not for you, sorry. We wish you well. But if you answered yes, then fill in the form below and you can start making money within 3 minutes from now. God bless.